We'll guide you through how to delete browsing data in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Over time, Google Chrome saves your browsing data. This includes things like your search history, cookies, cache, and more. For any reason, you might want to delete or clear this data. Maybe you want a fresh start, or you only want to remove data from a certain time period. Either way, we'll show you how to do this step by step. Just keep in mind that once this data is deleted, you won't be able to get it back. For example, your search history can sometimes be helpful. If you're sure you want to continue, let's get started. First, go to the top right corner of Google Chrome. You'll see the three dots there. Click on them to open the menu. From the list of options, go to the bottom and click on Settings. Next, look on the left side and find Privacy and Security, then click on it. At the top of the Privacy and Security section, you'll see Delete Browsing Data, which includes history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on this option. At the top, you can choose a time range. For example, you can select the last hour, or you can choose all time if you want to clear everything. Now you can select what you want to delete, such as browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, and download history. You can also click to see more options if needed. After selecting what you want to remove, go to the bottom and click Delete Data. As you can see, the selected data has now been deleted. You can repeat this process for different time ranges if you want, like clearing everything for a full fresh start. You can also manage other Google data from here, such as your search history linked to your Google account. You can clear activity, passwords, passkeys, and other saved data as well. There are many types of data you can review and delete depending on what you need.